Keraleeya Ayurveda Samajam, the healing edge of Kerala. Ayurveda is a system of healing as well as a way of life that evolved in India with a rational logical foundation. Over the centuries, Ayurveda medical system became renowned in the Indian subcontinent for its skilled physicians, sophisticated medical therapies, and for the extensive materia medica. The local princes of Kerala gave liberal encouragement and patronage to traditional Ayurvedic practitioners. In the year 1913, Manavikraman Eta Raja, the Zamorin, and Appan Tamburan, the Raja of Cochin, joined together at Cheruthurthi on the banks of Bharatapura and then declared the founding of Keraleeya Ayurveda Samajam, the first ever institution for Ayurveda, long before the concept of Kerala evolved. The traditional Ayurveda of Kerala gained high appreciation across India through the constant efforts of the phenomenally talented vaidyas of Keraleeya Ayurveda Samajam. All branches of Ayurvedic treatments described in the basic text are effectively put into practice in this hospital besides providing medicines to the patients. Fully equipped Ayurvedic therapy units including Panchakarma and a well-stocked pharmacy are always at work in the hospital. Diagnosis is facilitated through the state-of-the-art laboratory equipped with modern technology. Independent traditional cottages and modern rooms are available here to accommodate patients, and the in-house catering service is a real help to the dieting patients. In the year 2007, in association with Bharatiya Shastra Vidyapeetham, the Samajam established the first Ayurveda medical college at Cheruthurthi in the name of Poomulli Neelakandan Namboodiripad, the doyen of Ayurveda and the Honorable former President of Keraleeya Ayurveda Samajam. With the blessings of His Holiness Jagadguru Bharati Tirtha Swamikal of Sri Sharada Peetham, Sringeri, the PNNM Ayurveda College stands high on the banks of river Nila, offering BA MS degree and paramedical certificate courses in Ayurveda. Situated at a distance of 90 kilometers from Nedumasheri Airport, Keraleeya Ayurveda Samajam is very close to Shoranur railway station and it is easily accessible by road from anywhere in India. Keraleeya Ayurveda Samajam, by invigorating the unique Ayurvedic heritage of India, is banishing all malignant ailments afflicting mankind and giving the precious gift of good health to the world over.